Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn another lesson from our moral science book, and the lesson number is 3, and the title is The World I Live in. Okay? So, children, as we all are from different communities and living in a society, so when we are living with all other people, we must have a good quality is called caring and sharing. So whenever you are sharing and caring your love with all other people, you will get back the same love and emotion from others also. Yeah, today we are going to learn about caring and sharing with the help of a small story. So without any delay, we'll get into the story. Once there lived a hard-working squirrel. It could be seen gathering nuts and sharing them with all other squirrels and rats. Okay, a squirrel is there and it used to share all its nuts what she gathered and used to share with all her friends. Its brother and sister spent their day doing the same thing, collecting nuts, but kept their nuts to themselves. They didn't share any nut with any other rats or squirrels. But still, by the end of the day, they have shortage of food. Even though they are storing for themselves only, they have shortage of food. But while on other hand, the first squirrel always had enough food to eat, even after sharing the nuts with all the rats and squirrels. The other squirrels scolded it for its behavior for sharing its nuts with all other animals. They used to say like they can have the capability of getting nuts and food for themselves. And why you are sharing all your food to all other animals like this? So they said like if you give away all like this, you will never be able to save anything for the winter. By the time of winter, you will left with all empty hands. So don't share your food with any other animals. Like this, the other two squirrels gave suggestion to the first squirrel. But the squirrel used to say like this: those who give shall receive, and then I have all that I need. So it is saying like this: if I give to someone, definitely I will receive something back at any time. Soon the winter days are arriving. All the animals, rats, squirrels are gathering their food items in their houses and they want to stay safe in winter time. Even our squirrel did the same. It gathered its nuts and berries and took them to its hole in the tree. And while doing so, it had seen some hungry mice and it called them over and gave all it to. Actually, it gathered by seeing the other animals hungry, it gave all its storage to them and left with empty hands. Then its brother and sister were angry at this. So they said, don't come to us for food. We won't give you anything. Okay? The days became colder and colder. So on one day, because of the strong wind, the squirrel lost its house also. Okay, because of the strong wind and air, the house of the squirrel got destroyed and it is homeless now. Everything was destroyed. They had no home, no food now, and it was getting colder day by day. The situation was going worse day by day. Okay? All the squirrels huddled together to keep themselves warm. They came all together so that because of the body warmness, they may feel somewhat hot. So they all came together and standing there. Suddenly they saw mice, moles and birds coming their way. The squirrel was worried. It had nothing to share now, but all these friends are coming to it. But how, in what way it can help them? So it is thinking in such a way. But to their surprise, they have seen all these animals bearing with nuts, berries, seeds, small and tender twigs to offer the squirrel who helped them in all the situations. After seeing all these, the ashamed two squirrels humbly took the food, thanked their sibling and the rest of the animals for doing back the help. At that time, they understood the value of the word by the squirrel, those who give shall receive. Even in this pathetic situation also, the help which was done by the squirrel in the past was helpful to it in this time. So children, what is the moral of the story? So without expecting anything, if you help anyone, you will receive the same help in some other way. So that was the story of caring and sharing squirrel. I hope that you understood the story very well. So children, now we will do our question and answers. Okay, coming to first question, what did the squirrel's brother and sister scold it for? So children, in the next page you have plenty of space to write all the question and answers. So I am writing there. So the first question answer is, the squirrel's brothers and sisters scolded it for sharing all its food with others. So the second question is, why did the squirrel share its food with other animals? So the answer goes here like this. The squirrel shared its food because it cared for everyone and believed in the word, those who give shall receive. Yeah, third question is, how did the squirrels find themselves without food and home? The third answer is, the squirrel has given all its storage to the mice, and because of the strong cold winter wind, they had lost their house also. Okay, fourth question is, what did the other animals do for the squirrel who always share its food? So what other animals did? The answer is like this. All the other animals helped them when they are in need. That means when they are homeless and foodless. Fifth question is, why did the squirrel offer its share to its siblings? So the answer is, the squirrel is very caring and loving, so it shared its share with the siblings. And the last and final sixth question is, did the siblings understand their mistake? How do you know? Yes, they understood the mistake. So when they have taken help from the other animals, they understood their mistake. So children, I hope you all finish your answers. If you have any doubts, you can refer this page to write all the answers. So coming to B bit, comment upon the message of the story. What is the message of the story? Those who give shall receive is the message of the story. So you need to comment on this message. So I am giving the message answer here. See, on top of the B bit you can write here, we should share and help others with a good heart. Definitely we shall receive it back in some other way. Okay, this is my own answer. If you want to write in your own words, you can do it, children. Yeah, next coming C bit is, would you like to adopt the value shown in the story in your daily life? Give an example. So here you can write like this. Yes, I will help all my friends without expecting anything. So in this way you can answer this question. By this we have come to an end of the story and the worksheet as well. So that's all for now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye bye.